Muriel,
What, Gerald?
you finished planning that big trip for us yet?
Not yet, Gerald. Planning a trip with all of your stops isn't as easy as it looks.
But it could be that easy with the trip routing feature in the all-new My Passport America app. Take the hassle out of planning by following these quick and easy steps. Here, let me show you. First, select the trip routing option at the bottom of the home screen. From there, you can input both your beginning and ending locations for your trip. If you'd like to avoid highways and tolls, you can toggle these options, and each feature is active when the toggle switch is green. You can also include additional stops and select Passport America parks within a certain distance from your route. Once your trip is planned, you can save it by hitting Save This Trip or Submit to view it. From there, you'll see a map of your trip with all the Passport America parks along the way. Once you've found a park you'd like to stay at, click the name, and there you'll see the listing with their contact information and their rates.